Tim mar Kenya manoyware tuke mag sikunde pinje Afrika manobagi e piny Algeria oduogo pachoka okinyi ma kawuono. Vivian Adhiambo noloyo midila mar bronze e tuke mag amen ma kilo 53 e kinde ma Clinton Omar noloyo midila 2 mag bronze e kidieny mar kilo 45 mar freestyle gi mano mar Greco-Roman. Tim no ero manoting'o jotugo 14, 7 manyiri gi 7 machuo noloyo midila 10, goldi 3, silver 2 kaachiel gi bronze 5. Mairi ne thuolo mokwongo mag tuke mag skunde manobagi e kind pinje mag Afrika.
The team has done precisely well, and this is the way to go for us to build future champions, because sports, or rather any sporting activity starts at a tender age. As you may see now, these first school games, we are trying to nurture our kids to make sure that they appear at the 2026 Dakar Youth Olympic Games and LA 2028.
Team is in a very, very high spirit. Everybody has given their 100%. Those who cannot make it, like tennis, beach volleyball, and judo, they have really given their best. But competition is quite high. It was quite a bit of challenge, language, transport, Hillary, stairs, all those things. But despite all these things, we have been able to manage the good results from our Kenyan team.